Hey folks, today we're going to cook a super simple pork pot roast. We're going to cook it in our pressure cooker. It takes about 90 minutes to cook under pressure as opposed to just hours in the crock pot or oven. So sometimes you just want a delicious, hearty piece of meat and you don't want to do a lot to it. So take a look at this list of ingredients. You've got pork, you got salt, pepper, onion, and garlic powder. That's it. This is as simple as it gets. First, we're going to take our pork shoulder out and season it with some kosher salt and pepper. Now, folks, if you have liked this channel, I ask that you will go ahead and subscribe and be sure to like the video. It helps us create more videos for you, and I greatly appreciate it. So don't be stingy with the salt. It's a big piece of pork, it can handle it, and I like to just pat it in. And the same thing with our onion powder and our garlic powder. Very, very basic ingredients here. Notice I'm trying to keep my right hand clean and my left hand is doing all the patting and moving the pork. And just went ahead and washed my hands so I could touch the pepper with both hands. Now in your Instapot, go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil. If you don't have an Instapot, the price has come down greatly. So I highly recommend getting one. They're not that expensive anymore. I'll put a link in the description, but incredibly useful piece of equipment. And what I'm doing here is just browning all the sides and edges, just pushing it down so it gets a good contact to the bottom of the pan. And this is on the saute setting of the Instapot. So after it's sat on one side for, 2 or 3 minutes, you're just going to have to use your best judgment here to where it's browned a little bit. Pick it up, move it around. We just want to make sure we get all top, bottom, left, right, and the ends. Notice how we're getting the ends browned there. Yeah, you probably just have to hold it with your tongs. Not a big deal. Now we add, maybe 3 cups, 4 cups of chicken broth. I'm not sure it really matters all that much because a lot of juices are going to render out of the pork. So you have to hit cancel to turn the saute off, then put your lid on. And it's a weird way to get this thing started. Hit pressure cook and then you select the number of minutes that you want it to cook. In this case, 90. If I had to do this again, and which I will, I would probably do this for 2 hours or 120 minutes. Here is 90 minutes, and to turn it on, just let go. It will sit there for a few seconds, and then turn on. There it goes. Now, after 90 minutes, release that steam. Use a spoon or something to hit the steam release. It is live steam. It will burn you, I promise. After 90 minutes and you've released the steam, you can go ahead and take the lid off and just scoop it out. It will be falling off the bone at this point. This is so simple, and you get most of the flavor from the collagen converting to gelatin. We could do a whole show just on what gelatin is and how that is made and the history of it. It's quite interesting, but that's another video. So just use your knife and fork, kind of shred it up. In the very center, it did not shred. That's why I say I would have left this on for 2 hours instead of just an hour and a half. It was plenty tender to eat, but ideally that would just fall apart. Now I'm just going to serve it up with some store-bought potato salad Again, I just wanted a really simple meal here. It's delicious, full of flavor, hearty. It's just a big chunk of meat, and it's very tender. You saw how easy it is to make. Of course, it takes time in the pressure cooker, but super simple to prepare. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video.